This is our 5th time.
I wouldn't have dreamt of what I learned here.
This encourages you and inspires you, and it's so relaxing, and the food is great.
I love Retreat at Sea, and I will do it again.
And you should be here.
Holy Trinity is at work full time here.
Hello, I'm Brad Eli. Today's January 18th, 2024. Here are your latest Church Militant headlines. The U.S. Bishops' Conference is marking the anniversary of Roe v. Wade by urging greater support for mothers. Bishop Michael Burbidge of Arlington urged pro-lifers in a statement Wednesday to stand in solidarity with women facing a difficult pregnancy. Burbidge is chairman of the Pro-Life Committee. He stated, "We remain steadfast in our commitment to work for the legal protection of every human life from conception to natural death." In related news, the U.S. Bishops' Conference is presenting its first ever annual report on religious liberty in the United States. Indiana Bishop Kevin Rhodes said on Tuesday that attacks on churches are among the greatest threats to religious freedom, alongside potential federal mandates regarding abortion and transgenderism.
On this day, when our nation celebrates Religious Freedom Day, we issue this report in the hope that it will help Catholics and all people of goodwill to become better equipped to promote religious freedom themselves.
The Gates Foundation announced it will donate billions of dollars in 2024 to left-wing causes. At the Davos Summit on Monday, the charity disclosed a total budget of $8.6 billion, its largest annual donation to date. The foundation, which claims to improve the lives of vulnerable people, has given over $94 million to Planned Parenthood in the past 20 years. Meanwhile, in India, the new head of the Syro-Malabar Catholic Church is urging unity as fights continue over the liturgy. Major Archbishop Raphael Thotil and other bishops signed a letter urging priests to embrace a modified version of the liturgy, which has the priest facing the high altar during the liturgy of the Eucharist. Many priests and laymen have rebelled against the change, despite repeated warnings from bishops and even from Pope Francis. Almost 3 million people gathered in Venezuela in honor of Our Lady under the title of the Divine Shepherdess. The image of Mary holding a shepherd's staff represents how Our Lady protects her son's followers from the evil one. The devotion dates back to the 1700s. The governor of the Lara state, in which Sunday's procession took place, said the participants prayed for health and peace for all. I'm Brad Eli. Those are your Church Militant headlines. Special thanks to our supporters who make our work possible. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe. God bless you.